Picture this: a world where the most jaw-dropping, spine-chilling, and heart-pounding reptiles rule. Today, we're venturing into the untamed territories of our planet to unveil the 5 most dangerous reptiles you won't believe exist. From venomous fangs to bone-crushing jaws, these reptiles are nature's fiercest predators. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adrenaline-pumping journey through the wild world of reptilian danger. Meet the saltwater crocodile, an absolute giant in the reptile world. These massive creatures can reach lengths of up to 23 feet and weigh over 2,000 pounds. That's heavier than a car. But what really sets them apart is their jaw power, which can crush bones like it's nothing. They're not to be taken lightly, having sadly claimed the lives of many who crossed their path. Here's a mind-boggling fact. These crocs can launch themselves out of the water with astonishing speed, almost like they have jet propulsion. Stick around to discover more incredible facts about these apex predators. Now, let's talk about the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard. These reptiles might look like something out of a dinosaur movie, but they're very much real. With sharp teeth and powerful jaws, they're not to be trifled with. But what makes them truly remarkable is their venomous bite. Their mouths are loaded with toxic bacteria, which means that even if their prey escapes, they're in for a slow and painful end. It's a chilling reminder that nature has its own ways of survival. Coming in at number 3, we have the black mamba, a snake that's as deadly as its name suggests. Found in Africa, these snakes are renowned for their incredible speed and agility. They're among the fastest snakes on the planet, and their bites deliver a neurotoxin that can lead to a swift and unfortunate end for their victims. Imagine the need for speed, deadly venom, and a reputation as one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. The black mamba has it all. Now, let's talk about the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. Despite its unassuming appearance, this snake packs a venomous punch like no other. It might be small, but don't underestimate it. The inland taipan has the most toxic venom of any snake globally, with just one bite containing enough venom to take down over 100 grown humans. Luckily, these snakes are reclusive and rarely come into contact with people. Still, it's a stark reminder of the hidden dangers lurking in the wild. And finally, we've reached the number 1 spot with the Nile crocodile, an apex predator that rules African waters. These crocs can grow up to 20 feet long, and they're known for their cunning and stealth. They lurk below the water's surface, waiting for an opportunity to strike with lightning speed. When they do, their powerful jaws can crush bones with ease. It's no wonder they're responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of these fearsome reptiles and uncover more astonishing facts. And there you have it, our journey through the world of the 5 most dangerous reptiles. From the awe-inspiring saltwater crocodile to the venomous bite of the Komodo dragon, these creatures remind us of the wild, untamed beauty of nature. It's crucial to respect and admire them from a safe distance, as they each have their own unique story of survival, power, and adaptation. Have you ever encountered any of these reptiles in the wild? We'd love to hear your stories and insights in the comments below. And of course, if you want to join us on more thrilling adventures into the wild, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and ring that notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting content. Stay curious, stay safe, and never stop exploring the amazing planet we call home. Until next time.